In the captivating world of mathematics and nature, fractals stand out as mesmerizing patterns that repeat at every scale. From the spiraled arrangement of sunflower seeds to the outline of snowflakes, fractals illustrate self-similarity beautifully. One of the most famous examples, the Mandelbrot set, mesmerizes with its infinite boundary detail. Nature adopts these complex structures in rivers, coastlines, and even the branching of trees. Scientists also use fractals to model complex systems, such as stock market fluctuations and the human heart's rhythm. Dive into the fascinating geometry of fractals, where every detail is a universe within itself.